In this video, we will learn in depth about keto diet. Before starting this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share this video. What is keto diet? Basically, our body can run on two different fuels. One is sugar from carbohydrates, which is found in the food that we eat, and that's what most people today primarily use. Carbohydrates found in bread, pasta, rice, etc. The other fuel is fat, which found in eggs, meat, avocados, butter, olive oil, nuts, etc. The keto diet is a very low-carb diet. So low in carbs that has to switch to mainly using fat for fuel. When the body is out of sugar, fat is converted in the liver into energy molecules called ketones that fuel the brain. And the diet that results in this is called ketogenic, meaning it produces ketones. And that's why the diet is called keto diet. Being fueled mostly by fat, a state called ketosis, including that you become a fat-burning machine. It's perfect for weight loss without hunger, burning fat 24/7 even when you're sleeping. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. The ketogenic diet is an eating plan that drives your body into ketosis, a state where the body uses fat as a primary fuel source instead of carbohydrates. Let's understand, what is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbs. It occurs when you significantly reduce your consumption of carbohydrates, limiting your body's supply of glucose or sugar, which is the main source of energy for the cells. Following a ketogenic diet is the most effective way to enter ketosis. Generally, this involves limiting carb consumption to around 20 to 50 grams per day and filling up on fats, such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthy oils. It's also important to moderate your protein consumption. This is because protein can be converted into glucose if consumed in high amounts, which may slow your transition into ketosis. Ketosis symptoms and side effects. During the first week of a keto diet, you might start to feel bad. Some people call this the keto flu, but it isn't an official medical condition. Some doctors think this is due to sugar and carbohydrate withdrawal. Or it could be because of changes to your gut bacteria or an immune system reaction. You might notice temporary side effects such as headache, fatigue, brain fog, irritability, constipation, trouble sleeping, nausea, stomachache, dizziness, sugar cravings, cramps, sore muscles, bad breath, also known as ketosis breath. Drinking plenty of water can ease or prevent some of these symptoms. Ketogenic diets can help you lose weight. A ketogenic diet is an effective way to lose weight and lower risk factors for disease. In fact, research shows that the ketogenic diet may be as effective for weight loss as a low-fat diet. What's more, the diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or tracking your food intake. One review of 13 studies found that following a very low-carb, ketogenic diet was slightly more effective for long-term weight loss than a low-fat diet. People who followed the keto diet lost an average of 2 pounds, 0.9 kilograms, more than the group that followed a low-fat diet. Another study in 34 older adults found that those who followed a ketogenic diet for 8 weeks lost nearly 5 times as much total body fat as those who followed a low-fat diet. The increased ketones, lower blood sugar levels, and improved insulin sensitivity may also play a key role. Other health benefits of keto. The ketogenic diet actually originated as a tool for treating neurological diseases such as epilepsy. Studies have now shown that the diet can have benefits for a wide variety of different health conditions. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can help improve risk factors like body fat, HDL, good cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Cancer. The diet is currently being explored as an additional treatment for cancer, because it may help slow tumor growth. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may help reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause significant reductions in seizures in epileptic children. Parkinson's disease. Although more research is needed, one study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. Some research suggests that the diet could improve outcomes of traumatic brain injuries. However, keep in mind that research into many of these areas is far from conclusive. Foods to avoid in keto diet. Any food that's high in carbs should be limited. Here's a list of foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on a ketogenic diet. Sugary foods, soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. Grains or starches, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. Fruit, all fruit, except small portions of berries like strawberries. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Root vegetables and tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, etc. Low-fat or diet products, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. Some condiments or sauces, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, etc. Unhealthy fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, mixed drinks. Sugar-free diet foods, sugar-free candies, syrups, puddings, sweeteners, desserts, etc. Foods to eat in keto diet. You should base the majority of your meals around these foods: meat, red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel. Eggs, pastured or omega-3 whole eggs. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. Cheese, unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. Healthy oils, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Avocados, whole avocados or freshly made guacamole. Low-carb veggies, green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices. You can download the full list of foods for keto diet in the description box. Is the keto diet safe? The keto diet could cause low blood pressure, kidney stones, constipation, nutrient deficiencies, and an increased risk of heart disease. Strict diets like keto could also cause social isolation or disordered eating. Keto is not safe for those with any conditions involving their pancreas, liver, thyroid, or gallbladder. An expert of keto diet said someone new to the keto diet can also experience what's called the keto flu, with symptoms like upset stomach, dizziness, decreased energy, and mood swings caused by your body adapting to ketosis. Is the keto diet bad for you? Keto diet is not recommended mostly by doctors and health experts, because it is ultimately not realistic or sustainable. The diet restricts fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy that can help with long-term weight loss and overall health. There's not one diet that's good for everyone. Do your research, consult a dietitian, discuss with your doctor, and make sure you're being safe. You can lose 10 kilograms in 1 month. Check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.